There we go. Welcome to Fabtech 2025. This is the Myers Technology Indotech Sawing Solutions booth. I'll be your host today, John Myers, here with Myers Technology. Let me show you around at our new Indotech 520 21-inch dual column bandsaw with a servo feed. Servo on a ball screw feed for the head. Gives you automatic feeds and speeds, selection. Control will do it all. We're running Coolrite 2290 in here with BioArmor technology. Here's some of our other machines. We have the SteelX, which is our miter saw series, semi or fully automatic. We have our dual column DC series. This is our regular one. We're showing our 14 here. We're running the Coolrite product in here too. This coolant gives great lubricity. Helps increase our tool life as well as our surface finish. And it smells good. Got a 40-foot booth this year. We'll do it bigger in Vegas, baby. We have the owners here, Raul Modi, Raul Casat, and Chipper Casat. There's Brett Myers at the wheel of the 21. Thanks for viewing.